Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something exciting and delicious and very easy to prepare recipe, and that is polvoron. So I have here 4 cups of toasted flour. Now the flour that I use is cake flour. And then I have here 3 cups of powdered milk. And 1 cup sugar. 1 cup ni guro ah. Okay. We'll mix everything. The reason why I'm using this is because I will mash this when we add the butter. This butter is 2 cups and it has been melted. So there is the white solids at the bottom. The toasted flour, I sifted it so that everything will be smooth. Okay. So once it's thoroughly blended, I will add in the butter. So this butter has been melted. Ako sa mag-melt butter. Okay. I have 2 cups of butter or 2 bars of butter. 1 bar is equivalent to 1 cup. Doon na sobrahan niya akong butter raw. Ay, 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 ay. So what we will do next is we will add some more. Ay, sobra gid ya. OA. Na OA sang butter. So we will toast some more flour. Siguro another cup of flour. Kayo, ay gid powder oh. Okay, dali lang kid ha. Dali lang kid. I have added 1 cup of toasted flour. So now, pulburo ng tsura niya. Kag-inaya. Ano to yaman? Okay. So here is our, dali lang ha. Okay, dali lang. I will come back. Okay, so I will divide this into 3 because in one portion I will use Milo and in another portion I will use crushed cookies, chocolate cookies. Banta-banta lang ah. Gusto lang ng dodo. It is banta-banta principle. Now, in this one bowl, we'll add our crushed cookies. Again, allow me to use my hands. Yan. Yay. Okay. And then in another bowl, we have Milo. Milo. Ayun. Ay, ano, na, mga 1 cup man nga Milo, 1 cup man nga chocolate cookies. Hmm. Now, after this, we'll proceed to the most exciting part, to wrap the pulveron. Yan. Okay. Now, I have here our molds. And I have here our cellophane. Okay. So this is how it's done. Okay lang. We will get some, and then you have to press it para nga hmm, yan. Yan ang tawon tabi. Na ay kanami. Nice. See? That is one. Next, we will use the same mold to press on the it's always best to press it tightly. Kutugot gid para nga come out with something firm. Ay, ano ni? Hmm. There. Okay, and then the last one. The last one is Milo. Ay, susa. Ay, there. Yan, Milo. Okay. So I still have so many to wrap. I will come back to you once everything has been wrapped. And we will eat together. Dali lang. So here is the pulveron that we have made. No, damo man siya, no? So here, so it looks so dainty and neat. So this is cookies and cream. Ay, cookies. This is classic and this is Milo. So here, let's enjoy this one. Kaunta everyone. Thanks for watching.